So your light blew out in your Camry, I'm going to show you how to change your bulbs. So we're going to change both of them so they're the same brightness. So I got brand new bulbs. This is the before bulb and this is the after bulb. Much brighter, much better view of field of view. You can see everything really crystal clear. I'm going to show you how to change the bulbs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Okay guys, so you tuned into this because you want to know how to change your light bulb in your Camry. This is a 2003 Toyota Camry, and this light is working and this one is not. So how do you change the light bulb? Alright, it's not that hard. They're pretty easy. Every model is a little different sometimes depending on the car, but this one here is fairly simple. Basically, if you look back here, and this is the washer fluid here. Right here is the bulb. So hopefully you can see with the light here. I'll get a little zoom. So this is the bulb. So the bulb for the low beam is the outer bulb and the inner is the high beam. So this is the high beam one. Let me see if I can get a shot. This is the high beam, and the outer one near the fender is the low beam. So right down there. So all you have to do is pop off that clip. Real easy. You'll pull it down. This twists right out, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute, and you can replace the bulb.
Okay guys, so you can see the light blew out, and so what we're going to do is we're going to change them. I'm going to change them to the Silver Star Ultra. These are the brightest lights that I can find. Super bright. I'll leave a link down below where you can get these. Super simple to put in, like I showed you how to take it out. We're going to pop these in.
These older cars, they're pretty dim, not as bright as I'd like. They're not, of course, they're not like those high definition super bulbs like they make today. But this one here is a standard bulb, halogen bulb. So one is out and one's not. So I was driving the other day and I said, damn, is it dark? And I said, I went outside, looked outside, and I noticed the bulb was out. So we're going to change the bulb. Any questions or comments, leave down below. It's a real simple job. Out of 1 to 10, this is probably a level like 3. A little bit of patience. If you're not used to working with cars, take your time, watch the video. It's really pretty easy. All you have to do is pretty much take that clip off and then you twist out the bulb, and I'll just show you how to get into that. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, so hopefully you can see I set the camera up in the corner. So if you got some little wires in the way or whatever, just move around them. Basically just want this little clip here, and this clip just kind of pops off. So I know it's hard to see, and I like to use a screwdriver, and the screwdriver just gets in there and you can just push it down, and that's the easiest way to get these clips off. Let me just see if I can just loosen it. Actually the whole thing just comes right out. So we just twist it right out of the case here. Alright, so basically I twisted it to the left. Okay, I twisted the whole housing to the left, and it comes right out. Hopefully you can, I'll show you can see that. 1 minute and get it out. That way you can get the clip right off. You don't have to worry about hurting yourself. Okay, so hopefully you can see. Here is the bulb here. Here is the clip. There's a little clip on the bottom. Right, back this camera up a little so you can see better. This clip here, okay, you just press it down and this pops right off. See that? I'll show you again. See this clip here? You just press it down and this pops right off. Okay, so it's real simple. And here's the bulb. Let me see if I can get in the frame with the camera. So here's the bulb here, okay? So never touch the bulb with your hands with the new bulb, okay? So I'm replacing both of these, so I'm just showing you. So when you get the new bulb, never touch them. The oils from your hands can prematurely blow these bulbs out.
Hey guys, I just want to take a minute to thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you're learning how to change a light bulb in your Camry. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel. Back to the video.
So that's very important to know, okay? So let's open up the new one and let's get it installed. Okay, so you see that? Very easy. It basically twists to the left, like this here, this way here, and then when you put it back in, it goes back straight. Okay, so you twist out, you pull the bulb out, and push back. Alright, so I hope you understand that. I hope you can see it okay. I'm trying to keep the camera down. So you twist out, you pull the bulb out of the housing, push it back in, and twist it straight down. And that's it. That's pretty much how easy it is to change a bulb. You don't have to go to a dealership, pay a fortune. There's no need to do that. Alright, let's get this new bulb installed. And let's take a look and see how they look. Okay, so I just want to give you a little bit a better angle of the bulb. So here's the old bulb here, okay, and this is how it sits in the car, and they twist. Okay, so they twist in the housing and they lock in. Just wanted to show you that one more time. So it sits in the car, you twist, you pull out, you put the new one in, and you twist it in straight, okay? So it's pretty easy, okay? Well, that's that bulb, and that bulb is still good, so we'll save that bulb.
Okay guys, so I just want to do a little voiceover here to show you what I was doing here. So this was the opposite side. Again, it's towards the fender to take out the bulb. This one's a little bit tighter, so I had to get my hand in there and just squeeze it, and like I showed you before, twist it out, twist it to the left, and just pop it right out. And this cord was a lot shorter, so I couldn't pull the whole harness out and get the bulb out, so I had to just get in there and wiggle it out, and basically eventually I did get the bulb out. So just take your time, go slow, and you'll definitely get the job done. There's no need to go to a dealership and pay a lot of money to change your bulbs, and they can charge you up to $100 to change your bulbs, even $200. These set of high efficiency, very bright bulbs cost me like $50, but they give me like 3 times the vision. And I'll show you if they wait till the end of the video, and I'm actually got some footage of me driving the car, and you can see the difference how bright these things are. So these things are awesome. So there's the bulb there. Don't be afraid. Get your hands in there, wiggle it out, get it out, pop the new one in like I showed you before. Real easy. Alright guys, let's get to the end of this video. Okay guys, as you can see, they are in and they are super duper bright. As you can see, the last one was really dim from the beginning of the video, but these here are extra bright. As you can see, they look awesome and they are working perfectly. Okay guys, so that's very easy how to change these light bulbs. As you can see, they're right in the back here, like I told you, to the furthest one from the fender. Okay, the closest to the fender, I mean, right there. You can see it. You just pop that off the clip, turn the bulb, pops out, and pop the new ones right in. Super simple. And again, I'll leave a link down below where you can get these really bright lights, really super bright. And let's go take a quick ride around and take a look and see how it looks at night. You can tell that I got a lot of good light. You can see that thing is really super bright. Check it out. You take a nighttime drive here. You can see the difference. You get some nice, it really goes quite a bit different. Very nice. So here's it with the light on, headlights off, headlights on. Much more. You can see the huge difference. Headlights off. Okay guys, you can see that, and let's put the headlights on, see the difference? Nice. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned how to install your own headlights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate you tuning into this one as well. And I'll see you at the next review. Check it out, guys. Lights off. Lights on. Super bright. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.